Why do I smell it? What's up, baddies? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we got another IPSY unboxing. So if you guys would like to see what I received, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe this video and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my next video. Okay, so this month's theme is Stronger Together. It says like Cher and Dion and red lipstick and the cat eyes. Some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the regular Glam Bag first. Let me show you the bag. Okay, so this is how the bag looks. It's kind of off-white cream with women on it. So the regular Glam Bag has 5 sample sizes of products in it, and you can get it for $12 a month. So the first thing that's in here is KVD Vegan Beauty, and this is their Locket setting powder in the shade Translucent. I mean, it's small, but it's not like it's so small. Like, so the next thing that's in here is from this brand OUAI. I don't know how to say that, but this is their leave-in conditioner. So that will be interesting to try out. What is this? Okay, so the next thing I have is this Cela Seed to Skin Scrub Natural Grain Polish. What is this supposed to be for your body, your hands? Not your face, don't look like it. The fourth thing is this Araceli Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Nights. So we got a liquid eyeliner in the bag. Why do I smell it? Oh, but it's dark. So that's how she looks. And it looks like it's gonna dry down matte. So the next thing that I have is this Saint Luxe highlighter, and this is in the shade Celestial. And it's a cute highlighter. It's like a peachy shade, kind of. That's how it looks blended out. It's real cute. It's actually a highlighter that I would wear. So those are all the products that came in the regular Glam Bag. Okay, so now let's get into the Glam Plus bag. So the Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size products for $25 a month. Okay, so the first thing I have in this bag is this Koa. It's KOA, Koa Life Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. So that's that, and this is the full size 1.7 fluid ounces. So this kind of looks interesting. So we go again, y'all. The next thing I have is this Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush from IT Cosmetics. And this looks more like a complexion brush to me versus the other one from last one. IT Cosmetics they do actually have really nice brushes, so I will be trying this one out. So the next thing is this Haus Laboratories lipstick, and this is in the shade Burlesque. Ooh, this is really pretty. This is so cute. It's like, you see the glitter? It's giving candy cane. It's giving bad bitch. I don't even think I'd want to use this lipstick. It's so pretty. So next we have this Florence by Mills Glow Yeah Lip Oil, and this is what she looks like. So we got a lip oil. So this is the Shades by Shan and MBY Makeup Studio Neutral Edition eyeshadow palette. Y'all, let's hope that it's cute inside, okay? I'm gonna actually let y'all see it first. Okay, I'm looking at it in the viewfinder. It is cute. Actually, I like. So this is a closer view of it for you guys. Is that a better view though? Does closer always mean better? So the whole total of the Glam Bag Plus was, and it was only $25 a month, so that's definitely a steal, but you just don't know what the products you're gonna get. And then in my box I got a refreshments package. So I received their Pearly Body Wash, and this is in the scent Citrus Spritz, which I've received in their, I think that's their scent of their shaving cream and their other 2 body creams that I received from them. And then I received 2 deodorants. So these are clean, 100% vegan, cruelty free. It has no aluminum or baking soda, and it's clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. And they have 4 scents. I have 2 of them, which is Lavender Splash, and then I also have their unscented one, which smells like nothing, which is weird, but it says unscented. But their Lavender Splash, it smells like, you know, Fruit Loops. If you eat the purple one and the yellow one together, I think the purple is grape and the yellow is lemon. That's what it smells like. It smells so good. Or it might be the green one. Or it might be the yellow, purple, green, and orange put together. Or it might just be Fruit Loops in general, but I think it smells more like the purple and the yellow put together. So that is what I got in my refreshments package. But I kind of feel like this box was not that exciting. I'm always excited to see like what's in the next box, but this one was like really like so maybe next month. But that's the fun thing about it, you never know. It's like a gamble. I wonder if all of these things were founded by women, because the shades by Shan sounds kind of girly. Haus Labs is it founded by Lady Gaga? Florence by Mills, that sounds like a girl, but I don't know about the other two. So I wonder if this whole box was like founded by women for Women's Month. But if it was like all women, like not made, but you know, women products, then definitely worth it, because we gotta support the girls. I just wonder, it might be a thing. So baddies, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys hit like and subscribe so you won't miss next month's unboxing. Bye.